Okay. Hi guys, welcome back or welcome to my channel. My name is Monisi and welcome to Monisi Makes. So as you can see, we are in my bedroom. This is my parents' house and we are currently living here while our house gets flipped and all the stuff gets put in. It's taking quite a bit of time, but it's looking great and I can't wait to share the updates with you guys. So while we are here in this house, I figured that I could do what I can to kind of help my parents out with updating some things. This room was my bedroom, so it's been through layers and layers of paint. I think my mom and I have painted this room, I want to say 4 to 5 times. My dad even jokes and says there's so many layers of paint in this room that the room is getting smaller because of so many layers of paint. I went through a pastel phase a long time ago, I want to say 15 years ago, and I just wanted to paint the walls like a mint green color. And if you remember when I repainted our old bedroom at my in-laws' house, it was kind of the same color. Needless to say, I'm so tired of this color. We are going to make it more of a neutral color now. We're gonna go through a bedroom makeover. I'm excited. I'm not gonna do anything crazy. We are gonna move the bed around. Furniture's just gonna be moved around. Yeah, that's the plan for today. Let's get started. This is my childhood bedroom. The corner office that you see used to be a hallway, and when I got to a certain age, my grandpa closed that hallway and made it a little desk for me to have my own bedroom. I used to share a room with my brother for the longest time, and I was getting sick of it. So I'm so thankful that he was able to do that for me. And as you can see, this room doesn't really need a major makeover. It looks fine as is. I just really wanted to make it a warm and cozy space by painting the walls and just doing little things here and there. And I just want to make it comfortable while Andrew and I are still living here, and for my parents, when they have future guests from out of town visiting, this space can just be a cozy space for them. The first thing I did was paint the corner with the counter, cabinet, and shelves. I had painted it a very glossy ivory color years ago, and it wasn't even the right type of paint, so things would stick to the counter because of the texture of the paint, and it was such a mess. I'm going to change these handles out, and there's also a handle for the drawer that I want to scrape the paint off of and see what I can do with it. So this is what the correct paint to use. Cabinet door and trim enamel specifically for cabinets and trim. So this is the trim around the closet. I'm just painting it white, and I really like how it turned out. You can really see the difference here in this clip of the white and the ivory. These are the handles that I picked out for the cabinets. I found them at Hobby Lobby, and they were on sale. I think it was 50% off. The paint color that I chose is called Smoky White, and it is Behr Paint and Primer that I chose at Home Depot. So next I had to empty the bookshelf, and I really just wanted to show you how beautiful this bookshelf is without the stuff on it, because my mom had this upstairs and she just didn't have room for it anymore, so she told me I could bring it down, which I was very thankful for because we have so many books. I started painting the edges, and once I was done with the first coat on the edges, I used the roller and really loved the color. I was so happy to get rid of this mint green. And as you can see, I have paint in my hair. My ponytail got some paint on it. I thought I'd show you the chaos that was our bedroom once we moved everything in the middle. That ring light came in handy, by the way. Instead of buying new wall art, I just used Rub and Buff and antique gold and put it on this piece that usually sits above the bed, and I think it turned out so beautiful. Just in case anyone forgot, this is what the bedroom looked like before. Eventually, my parents are going to have the baseboards painted white, the doors, and they are switching out the light switches and the outlets to white instead of the ivory that's there now. I was very tempted to paint the nightstands, the headboard, and the dresser, but that was just too much to do. Eventually, maybe my mom will hire me, right, Mom? And I can do that for her. I know that the color of the walls and the color of the comforter and the wall art, it is a little too neutral, matchy-matchy, but you have to keep in mind that this is our comforter and we're taking that with us, so my mom can pick out whatever kind of comforter she wants, whatever kind of wall art she wants to put once we move out, and she can make it her own little guest room, which I know she'll make it beautiful. These are our curtains, and she says that she might just leave it here and we're gonna have to buy our own curtains now. Also, I know this is gonna drive many of you crazy, but I realized that this is off-center, and I know we were moving the bed and we were very tired, so it's just gonna stay like this until we have the energy to move it. I know it bothers me too because my head is just, should be right here. Just try to ignore it. So what do you guys think? I personally love this color. This color was called Smoky White, and it was a Behr Paint and Primer. And I did 2 coats, and I think it looks so perfect. My mom came downstairs and she really loved the color as well, and she said it reminds her of like a linen color, and so I'm really happy she's happy with it because it is her house. This just goes to show you that it doesn't take much to transform a bedroom, and I think the only thing I spent on this little transformation was the cabinet paint and the wall paint. So it was, I want to say, under $100, but you don't have to spend $1,000 to transform a bedroom. And I hope this encourages you to do something different in your house if you are like me and love doing this kind of thing, and all DIYs and painting and just tweaking here and there. Thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please subscribe. I know that a lot of you watch my videos and you're not subscribed, so make sure that that button is clicked in the bottom where it says subscribe, and comment, like this video. The best thing you can do is engage in the comment section. because that really helps push my videos to the public where people will actually watch my videos. So I would appreciate if you did that. I really want to get my channel to 500 subscribers. That's my goal by the end of the year, so let's hopefully get that done. I would really appreciate it, and please share this video with someone you think might learn something from it, or someone that's might be looking for a color white to paint their house. This smoky white is such a beautiful warm toned white. So yeah, I think that's it for this video. I really hope to see you guys in the next one, and thanks for watching.